Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Handmade by Ying with Donna. Today you're in the Squirrelly Kitchen with me and I'm working up a fast, easy recipe of French toast bake that you can prep ahead, drop it in your freezer, and have it ready for Thanksgiving morning, and it's going to taste amazing. So, the easiest way to do it is, if you've got bread, it doesn't matter what kind, let it go stale. And then all you're going to do is cut it into the chunks. Keep it big, keep it small, whatever you would like. And then you're just gonna plop it in the bowl. Really easy. And this ended up being a whole loaf of Italian bread this go around, just because that's what I had and it was time to use it up. So I'll do this one in the oven today, and that way you'll be able to see it from beginning to end. And like I said, just leave it sit. I could have cut all of this up last night to have it already laying out to get real crusty, but I wanted to be able to show you every step. And believe it or not, you will use it all. And this is like a 10-minute make. Then you just put it up or you use it up, whatever you want to do. I like doing these ahead and dropping them in the freezer, so when Joe and I are busy, we can just pop something out and throw it in. You can add meat to this if you would like, but we'll have it today with a side of bacon. I've got bacon pre-cooked, saves a step. 1 minute in the microwave. As soon as this comes out, we've got an easy peasy breakfast. So let me sit all of this over here out of the way. And I'm going to keep it really quick and simple. You're going to use a dozen eggs. This is going to make the custard for it. And these are farm fresh eggs we get from a local chicken girl. And we've never had an issue. They are delicious and they're fresh. That makes this even better. And I could have done these into individual bowls and poured it all in, but I'm not doing that. So here I have 3 teaspoons of vanilla, 4 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, a cup and a half, not a cup and a half, I'm sorry, half cup of the brown sugar. Set those over here out of the way. Got a cup and a half of milk. And you're just going to mix it up. That's how quick and simple this comes together. When I want to make sure you really incorporate everything, and you should be able to see down into the bowl how nice this looks. Make sure that there's nothing there that I need to worry about. I have a cup and a half of raisins because that's what Joe and I like. And I'm just going to pour this in. And you stir it up and let all of that goodness soak in. You cannot go wrong with this recipe. Gonna let that sit for like about a minute. Get my bowl, my casserole dish. Give it a heavy spray. And then all you do is just gently get it all shaped up the way you would like it. As you can see, it's all been incorporated. There's no dry bread there. And this is going to get nice and brown and bubbly. So you put it in the oven for 25 for 18 to 20 minutes, and I'll be back then. Okay, so it's fresh out of the oven. As you can see, it's not burnt. You let it sit for about 3 or 4 minutes. And I've taken the liberty to go ahead and make a little bit of this frosting for over it. All it is half of a cup of the powdered sugar and a little bit of water and vanilla. And all I'm going to do is just drizzle. And it's going to add that extra little sweetness to it, but also make it really cute. So keep this made ahead, and all you have to do is when you set your item in the oven, you can just pull it out, stir it up, and you're ready to go. So like 3 teaspoons is all I actually ended up using for this recipe. I did take the bacon out of the freezer, and I've already warmed it 1 minute. So it's kind of like set it and forget it. So, sweetie, can you see this? I want to make sure they can see. This looks really nice. So cut your pieces however you would like. And you're going to get to see all this goodness. I like mine with a good crust on. Joe likes the insides. So we kind of opposites attract, they say. And I'll serve this to him with his bacon. And sometimes he likes a little bit of syrup. So I'll go ahead and add the syrup for him. You don't need to add it, but my guy has a sweet tooth. So I hope you liked today's video. Take care, God bless, and I'll see you back next week for another round in the kitchen, getting ready for the Thanksgiving holiday. Bye, guys. Take care.